In today's video, I'm going to show you CocoBeauty Peel Shot Glow Ampoule review. Overpriced or worth it? The product is marketed as a dual ampoule system, a white rice ampoule focused on brightening and glow, and a black rice ampoule aimed at pore cleansing, blackhead removal, and texture smoothing. According to the product description, the formula includes a 4-acid complex HA, BHA, PHA, plus oil-soluble peeling, rice bran water, niacinamide, arbutin, and hydrating agents to help with moisture retention. The brand claims rapid visible results, glow, smoother texture, fewer blackheads, even skin tone within days or a couple of weeks. Some users report real positive effects. After a few uses, their skin feels smoother, dullness is reduced, pores feel cleaner, and there's a subtle glow. One review noted that the texture is lightweight, it sinks in well, and layering under moisturizer works without leaving a sticky residue. Others say that it works nicely as a peel serum hybrid, exfoliating without the harshness of harsher peels if used correctly. However, many of the glowing claims seem overhyped when you dig deeper. Several consumers say the extract gunk in real-time effect is visibly triggered mostly by the texture and fillers, not a dramatic chemical extraction. Others complain that the price is high compared to similar exfoliating or glow serums from established brands. There are also consistent complaints about skin irritation, especially for those with sensitive skin, tingling, dryness, or mild flaking after use are reported. Packaging is criticized by some users as wasteful or of cheaper materials than expected. On the reliability and customer experience side, the brand's Trustpilot reviews are mixed. Some buyers are satisfied and say the product does something, but many others complain about delays, customer service issues, difficulties with returns, or feeling misled by marketing. For example, some reviewers say the 30-day guarantee is misleading, especially since opened products often cannot be returned. In conclusion, Peel Shot Glow Rice Ampoule Duo seems partially worth it, depending on your skin type, budget, and expectations. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.